Have a look at it. That's it, done. Hang on. Yeah, that's laughing. There you go. That's it.
Right, it's done.
That's it. It's by them swill keys there. Hey? In that bucket there, and then put it down the grid. That's my little pit stop bucket, that, when I'm working. So I don't have to go upstairs.
There's a spelling mistake on my tax disc.
Is there?
Not so much a spelling mistake, but apparently tax for my car, for my motorbike, costs 500 quid for the year.
Well, that's, you know, you can afford to pay £500 for your road tax.
Oh, yeah. It's these Hondas.
Yeah.
That's a nice clear piss, that, look.
Emptying your piss bucket. It's nice when things go according to plan for once, isn't it?
For once.
You was properly fucked off with it, weren't you?
Yeah.
When it was overheating.
Was you ready for just kicking it over?
He was going to fucking stick it on eBay for parts.
Is that how this works?
It's got a nut on the back,
What's that mean?
a little nut, and you undo the bolt.
What, this here?
Let's have a look.
Can't I just take that
Well,
off? the front?
you could take that bolt off
Yeah.
and then get it in your hand, so it's easy to do. Yeah.
How big is it? Got it.
There you go. Now you're not fiddling around with
I'll just thumb it out.
thumb it in. See the little bolts.
You're telling me I've got to do that?
You got to take all of them apart, yeah.
Can't I just slide it in?
And how the fuck can you slide it in?
It's not the way you have to do that, isn't
Some fucking some
That's
arsehole.
so fiddle,
Look at that little bit of carbon fibre. It's real though.
It is real as well.
Yeah. Little tiny bit of carbon fibre. That's probably why I bought it.
Right, I need an Allen key.
We had it out the right one. It was one of them. It's already out. You know them things?
One of these?
Yeah, it's already out though.
Right, I might do this one here.
Oh, yes. First one you pick up, fits.
I can't believe I've got to do what? 1, 2, 3, 6 of these. Just wave it at the copper as I drive by.
Man's sellotape to me fucking visor. I want one of them double bubbles for mine now. That's mega in black, that double bubble.
Too dark,
It's pretty dark, mate. It's a dark, mysterious place.
This is actually
that's so fiddly, that one.
pathetic, that mate.
Why'd you have to do it like that?
I'm just going to put one in. One in either corner. 2.
You've only got to do it once a year.
It's too much
I've got to fucking, I've got to undo six.
Every day.
Got to undo 6 bolts once every 12 months.
Like 3 hours early, wouldn't
I'll tell you what, it means that hasn't happened to it. The battery hasn't died. Because I tell you what, when it was knackered and it wouldn't start, the amount of times all you could hear in here was...
Look at that. That is pathetic.
Get your dirty tax disc in there.
You could have fucking straightened it out. You fucking wasted.
It's been under my seat since fucking March. What is it now? August. That's how long his tax list's not been displayed for.
Yeah, but that was legal.
It comes up anyway, doesn't it? On the computer, like.
Is that like a rubber seal or something?
Oh, this is just unreal.
You should have left that rubber seal on the fucking...
I couldn't leave it. Shut up.
God, you're a waste of fucking skin.
You'll have more luck if you take them daft gloves off.
Do you know what I'd do if I were you?
What? Kill yourself?
Can't believe there's 3 grown adults, 3 grown men here. Can't even figure out how to put a fucking tax dish holder together. Yeah, that's looking more like it.
Is that lined up properly?
Just get one in.
I'll thumb it in.
Thumb it in.
Thumb it.
Fucking no chance.
Tackle pretty much anything besides a fucking tax test.
Just finesse it.
Still not.
Tell you what you're going to do. Get a thin Allen key and just poke it through till it works. Oh, has he got it now?
As soon as you got one in, that's it.
Fucking IQ of fucking IQ 200. Joining Mensa. It's like the fucking Krypton factor, innit?
See, it's not that bad when they all pop in.
Just tighten one up for fuck's sake.
What do you mean?
Just pop them all in.
They'll all be falling out, won't they, while you're doing it? Get another beer going there, like. You're a failure. We haven't even named these bikes yet.
The sun's come out.
Awesome.
Let's have a splash of that, lad. Ooh, that's fucking real beer, that. Ooh.
God, absolute vermin.
If you're going to drink lager, mate, it might as well be...
Mighty real.
It's good stuff, innit?
Mighty real. For real.
Not drinking that fucking Foster's shite. Fucking rinse that bucket out with fucking Foster's.
I don't like Foster's like that, kid.
I drink it now and then because it's fucking dirt cheap.
Because it's wet.
That's Oxford.
What, is it Oxford? Oh, very posh. Oxford heated grips.
Yeah.
You have that heated
Really
grip.
minute is the
I've
fault,
got no intent. I'll never need heated grips, me, mate. I've got no intentions of riding that bike when it gets to winter. Disconnect the battery and forget about
we
it.
have nowadays, mate.
I know, yeah.
You're fucking having a laugh.
There was a lad at the place where we'd done all the training.
To even walk out your own house, do you know what I mean?
There was I'm not messing with. There was a lad who at the same place where we trained to get our licences, who was out in the ice on his fucking bike. He can't even drive a car.
Death wish.
Can't even drive a car in that fucking conditions. Out on a bike. And
Out on the bike in 5 foot